the fancy smancy there.
Kim, just take the helmet off. Just take the helmet off. Yep.
How do you think it will be?
All right.
Yeah.
Come on,
How do you
let's go.
think it will be? What? How do you think it will be? Good. Good? I mean, like, I already feel the pain of sweating.
See him doing those push-ups when he don't listen?
Yep.
That look familiar, don't
Let's
it?
go.
Yeah.
Come on. Pay attention. Okay. Hey, I need you to pay attention to me. Okay, not them. Me. Me. Who are you gonna pay attention to? Me, right? Nobody else, right? So it's gonna be you and Cone and me. All right? Nobody else. Okay? He's gonna look at everybody.
First, just have him go. See if we could just go straight. Yeah. No, you gotta listen.
Okay, where's your brake?
Listen.
Front brake. Okay, back brake. Okay.
Back brake. Look. Back brake. Back brake. Front brake, back brake. Look at your coach.
Nice and slow. Keep your feet down.
Keep your feet down.
Feet down.
You just ready to take off. Keep your feet down.
Stop. Brakes.
This ain't the Flintstones. Hit the brakes.
Turn around. Turn around.
Follow your coach. Look at the coach.
Brakes.
Gotta go slow before you can go faster.
Alright. Get your feet up. Come on. Get your feet up. Feet up, feet up, feet up, feet up, feet up, feet up.
On the pad.
On
Put
the
your
pad.
feet. You can't be looking down. You're gonna run into somebody or something.
Good. Come on. No, you gotta get going first. Good. 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 Brakes. Put down. Come on, let's get the circle drill going. Come on. Go, stop looking down at the bike. Okay, stop. When you grab the brakes, okay? Not, don't twist your wrist back. Grab the brakes. Okay? Alright. I want you to do the best circle that you can do around me. Go around. Hold on.
You're all over the place.
You guys do. You guys do. Nothing? Okay. Come on. Around me. Hey. Let's look. Come on. Look at me. Eyes on me. Good. Good. Good.
Look where you're going. Look where you're going. Look where you're
All right,
going.
let's stop. Keep down. Very good. Good job. Back. Eyes here. Okay? I want to see your eyes here. I don't want to see your eyes in front of you. Okay? Back up, Jordan. I want to see your eyes here. Okay? Start going around. Get some speed. Get some speed. No. Stop. Hold on. Okay. Get some speed going first, and then put your feet up. out, guys. Watch out. Please move. Okay. Eyes right here. Hand down. We got our first down. You're all right. You're good. You're good. You're good.
But then
Okay.
I try to turn, then I turn too much.
I want you to go around at your absolute slowest.
So you find a spot, Kenny. You'll find a spot and you'll just be able to do a
Slowest.
circle around.
Okay. Let's watch EJ go around at his absolute slowest. So he's riding a lot slower than you were, right? Feet are up, always up. His head always turned to where he's trying to go. Okay? He's not looking at us, he's not looking at everything else. Nothing else exists other than that cone. And then once the brake push, brake. Now come down to the half. Come on, Sunshine.
The bars are too low.
The bars are too low. Got it. Uh-huh. This is not the bike that you won so many races on already. Got it. All right. Yep, that's good.
So you'll find what you'll first start just going in a circle. Just think of going in a circle,
Okay.
not going fast. Don't worry about going fast. Just
They're going right there.
just go in a circle. Don't even think about going fast. Just think about getting the bike to go in a circle. That's what you want to do. Just think about, hey, I got to get this bike to go in a circle.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Okay, you see like how he's controlling it, but he keeps his head where he wants to go. Okay? That's what I want you to do. Stop. Put it in third. All right, good. Stop, let him get on. Okay. Good. What? That's why it's in third. So he can stop.
It's in third gear.
So, yes.
Yeah, he'll be all right. I mean, if he hits a mailbox, he hits a mailbox. We'll be all right.
Get out the way. All right, let's go. Very good. Good.
There you go. There you go. Look in the middle of the circle. Look in the circle. Look in the circle.
Right here. Good. 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 Nope, 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 nope. Keep it up. Keep it up. Gas, 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 gas. Watch out, please. Move.
You gotta come over. Yes.
Like, you can't kneel
Yeah.
while there's somebody who just started learning to ride a motorcycle. Okay? You can't move fast if you're kneeling down. Let's go. Last time. Look over here. Good. Third. Good. More. More. Good. Hold the throttle open a little bit. Oh, a little bit. Good.
Got him all dressed up to try some circle drills out here.
Alright. How you feel? Good? Alright. We're not gonna drag knee. I said we're not gonna get your knee down.
Oh,
Uh,
come over. Come out the street.
okay? We're not gonna get because you gotta learn how to control it. Okay? Once you learn how to control it, everything falls into place. You got me? But you did a very good job. Good job on turning around, good job on stopping, and good job on